Hey, so today we are making a traditional tandoori chicken. Just wanted to give you some tips on how to grill tandoori chicken traditional style on a charcoal grill. The important thing is to set up a grill nicely. You pile the coal in the middle, so you can control the temperature. So you keep the chicken on the sides, the less heat. If you spread it too much, it's gonna get your chicken's gonna burn really quickly. This is my marinated chicken. So what I use is I used a tandoori masala. You can get it from any Indian store. I got some yogurt, some lemon, some cayenne pepper. This is marinated it overnight, and I'm using chicken thighs because they're tender and soft meat. Let's do it. Just put it on the side. Let the temperature rise and relax for a little bit. And eat your greens. You're ready to flip this, once, turning nice and juicy. And again, don't forget to drink your greens. Looks like it's done. Oh yes, you don't want to cook it too much. Don't want to make it dry. It's nice and juicy. Look, it's all white inside, and this is just perfect. Some lemon juice on it. That's it. And we serve it with onions and some naan bread. Will be perfect. So there you go, man. Enjoy.